Hi, hello everyone. I'm Isha from Singapore Management University and Team Sharpshooters. Today is the 3rd of August, and we are less than 24 hours away for a semi final round for the business case competition SCB-FLC. We are all very excited and a little nervous, but the excitement is a little bit more than that. And we're going to be vlogging this week because we know that this whole week is going to be quite crazy, and we're just trying to collect little memories so that we can look at this later and feel great, irrespective of what the result is. So Vaishali, Shruti, Vandana and myself actually have a pretty long day today because we have a night class for this elective subject. And yeah, I mean, we still need to try and get enough sleep before tomorrow's big day. I don't know how that's gonna happen, but let's see. So what you're looking at right now are some of the pointers that we took while having a mentoring session with Professor Patrick from SMU. He actually kind of gave us an insight as to how we must tackle the business case when we are given the problem, and how to look into the business model canvas, which parts of it should we tackle first, and which part of it will we be judged on by the judges, how we must tackle the customer segment, the customer relationships, value proposition and things like that. So he gave us some really good examples, and yeah, so I think this will be very helpful. We're looking forward to using these pointers. So hi guys, we just finished our night classes. Vaishali here and Shruti here. Guys, show your faces. Okay, so hi. How are you guys feeling?
We're quite excited, not very nervous, but I think it will kick in tomorrow.
And Vaish, you?
Just curious about what the case is gonna be, and actually very excited about the working together.
Yeah, I think that'll be fun.
So you guys don't know, but we have booked a hotel room and we're gonna be there for 24 hours. And what are we gonna do then?
We bought a lot of snacks, so a lot of nighttime munching.
Lots of eating, lots of working. Hopefully we win. Yay! See you guys. Keep you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys.
So what are we doing?
It's the 4th of August and it's 2:30. We have 1.5 hours to go till our competition begins, the opening ceremony. What are we doing right now?
So, Isha is like setting up the chart paper, and we're gonna put it all around this hotel room and make it a fully functional workspace. And we're also waiting on our fourth member to show up, who didn't show up yesterday also, but it's okay, she didn't have time.
You guys didn't meet her and you're gonna meet her very shortly. Shruti, what do you think our case is gonna be on?
I think it's going to be something finance related, maybe a bank or something of that sort.
I kind of hope it's like an FMCG or
Something more in our
bank.
domain.
Yeah, something in our
Or
domain.
something like our first case study, which was Pomelo, which is a clothing store. So
Yeah, so it was
fussy
right
about
up our
that.
alley.
Yeah, and I feel like bank can be a little more difficult.
Yeah, but I'm really worried that it's gonna be a bank.
I think it's going to be a
because
bank.
the main sponsor is a bank.
So guys, hi. You haven't met Vandana as yet. So Vandana, tell us how you're feeling about this.
Nervous, but also excited. So yeah, I mean, yeah, mostly excited, but obviously I'm also gonna be a little nervous. So yeah.
And what do you think our case is going to be on?
As much as I'm wishing that it's something that we're familiar with, and hopefully we'll get lucky like we did in the first round, but I have a strong feeling that it's gonna be like banking industry based.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see how it goes.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Siam Commercial Bank, I'm honored to welcome you all to Future Leader Challenge Program, or SCB FLC, Thailand First Digital Business Case Competition. Since SCB FLC was successfully launched 6 years ago, it has been proven that SCB FLC is a global recognized program.
So Vesh, we just finished our opening ceremony. How do you think it went?
Yeah, it was good. We saw like our group, our photo and like video and all in the opening credits, so it was very flattering.
That was great.
Yeah, it was great. And as we expected, the case is related to a bank.
It is.
It is, and it's related to how Shruti is
She's drying her hair.
But anyways,
Yeah.
yeah, it's related to how millennials view banking and how the bank can capture more of that segment. So I think that's at least applicable to us. And they want some novel ideas, and all of us are quite novel to this field. So hopefully, then our ideas are also novel.
We're gonna start working on the case by just reading through what they've sent us on email, and hopefully we come up with great solutions. See you, bye. What are you doing?
We just ordered some pizza.
To refuel ourselves,
Yeah.
power us through the night.
Yeah, so guys, look at this now. We have actually brainstormed a lot of things.
Should spend a little bit of time to understand the numbers, and then say, hey, what percentage of the customers we can capture.
Hi guys, it's
Basically,
10
so
p.m.
Club Niagara has
and
its own,
see
like,
what's happening.
facility.
But
Where-
SCB doesn't have its own
Where
facility.
club members can come in and enjoy the party. But SCB, rather than having its own facility,
Lots
would
of
just give
brainstorming
you
has
discounts
happened.
at other
We've come up
facilities,
with
like, you
lots
can go
of
and-
ideas, and
It's
let's
basically
see.
like a membership.
Huh.
So it's 12:15 at night. We're all in our little PJs, and we have been working up a storm.
Hi.
Nisha.
Hi.
And then bands. And I think we're gonna take a little coffee break.
Hi guys, it's 3 a.m. and what are we doing?
So we are just about to start our pitch. We've
How's everybody
done our
feeling?
meal prep for tomorrow. So feeling good about that.
I am a little sleepy, but I think I'm gonna
I think
hang on.
I think we're gonna overdose on coffee now. So
Wait.
that's the plan.
We got our case at 4 and it's 3 now. So
12
pretty much
hours.
for 12 hours we've just been discussing on how to
Yeah.
approach this.
Exactly.
Yeah, and actually all the work that we have left now for tomorrow is the 99-second pitch. So I don't think we're too bad right
Yeah.
now.
As only under 10% of millennials are investing in mutual funds and stocks, our solution is to introduce SCB Investo Plan, an app with a two-pronged offering. First one is a customized plan that provides detailed day-to-day budgeting and investment guidance based on their user profile.
We just finished our pitch and it was good. But now our biggest competition, NUS, is presenting.
The two-time winners.
The two-time winners. So we're looking at their video.
Hi guys, so we just received an update from SEB. We've been matched with our mentor for the rest of the semis and the finals. And piece of sad news, we didn't win the 99-second pitch.
But that's okay.
That's
But
okay. We're still in the semi-finals.
Whatever, you
round
win
2.
some, you lose some.
The good news.
Yeah, the
Good
good
news.
news is that SMU is sponsoring another night of our hotel stays. So we will be seeing you all very soon from hopefully this very location.
Hi guys, today is the 6th of August and I honestly can't keep up with the dates. Like all of these days are going by so quickly. See our star performer Vandana.
Hi, where is it?
That's Shruti. She's panicking about something. So just a quick update. We got a new place to stay at because we had to check out of that hotel. and this is a very nice location. As I said that I saw some construction happening, but it's actually a very nice location. We have a table where we can actually work.
Should I just ask from the group?
That's Vaishali.
Like how-
Yeah, and I should get back to some work now. Bye.
In other kind of schools, like not business school, because business school, people in business love framework, they love process.
Do you guys want to update our viewers as to what happened with us?
Well,
we had a discussion session with our mentor.
Bandra.
he said that both ideas are great, but the four of us had very prematurely decided on one of the ideas, and guess what? Our lives were changed in the half an hour that we spoke to our mentor, and now we're going with the other idea that we have.
Yeah, and we have less than 24 hours. Actually, we don't even have 20 hours.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's
now, so we're happy.
But see, we started our user journey app and everything. So, and Shruti is very happy for some reason.
I was saying I'm dressed like a dad on vacation.
Just died. It was so accurate. It is so accurate, guys. You'll have to see her.
She's wearing a shirt and boxers.
Check out boxers.
Yeah,
Dad on a vacation.
Dads wear like, they don't wear pastels. They wear like some sharp Hi. How are you feeling, guys?
Hello.
Vandana, Isha, get in the frame.
It's what? 3? What's the time?
It's 3:10. And how are you ladies feeling? Are the energies up high?
I think we need more Coke zeros. Coke
Oh,
lights,
Isha
Coke
is
zeros.
swearing by her Coke Zero. What about Vesh and Vandana?
I'm feeling okay. I'm just feeling like
Overwhelmed?
would be nice to get one more day to do this.
It's never enough. It's never enough. That's right. Yes.
Yeah, but I'm not sleepy for sure. I think I can last the night.
Yeah, I think we're all not that sleepy.
Yeah, somehow.
I think we have a lot of tension because
If we make it through tomorrow, then we get into the finals. So
and we've done more work than this.
yeah. It's not just these blanks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys. So it's 6:41 a.m. and we can see the sunrise. It's morning time and we just finished off our presentation. In fact, we have the script left and we're gonna do that when we wake up. It's been a tough night, but it's been fun. And yeah, let's see.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi guys. How's it going? How are you feeling today?
So we finished our semi-finals yesterday. And how did it go, guys?
You can see Vesh. Oh yeah, she's not had enough sleep. We're all quite tensed. I think we thought the presentation went well, but the questions were a bit hard.
Yeah, I think they drilled us.
They drilled us quite a bit.
But in case we make it to the finals today, I think we'll be good
Yeah,
prepared.
we just want to get to the finals, and then I feel like we will kill it for sure.
Hi guys! We are very nervous right now because just in a bit we're about to find out if we made it to the finals of this competition or not. How is the rest of my beautiful team feeling?
A little nervous, excited.
It's starting.
Starting.
We're quite nervous.
Show them.